Yo, what's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been like a good 2 weeks since we did an upload, so we got a lot of stuff to unpack, a lot of parts we've been gathering, and let's go ahead and just get straight to it. So here's a couple of parts we have ready for today. Well, not really today, but the next upcoming days. We're not gonna get to this today. I have a few hours to work, and we're gonna get into this. We're gonna get into what's in here. So if you guys are ready for that, go ahead and stop what you're doing right now and press that like button, and go ahead, and if you're not already subscribed, then go ahead and go subscribe, and we're gonna get straight into this. So got my razor. Go ahead and cut this box open real quick, and we'll see what we're doing today. If you didn't guess already, go ahead and take a lucky guess now before I pull it out the box completely. You already know what it is. I just hope they fit. So, they're all in one package. Great. So on first impression, they look a little too big. I'll let you guys decide. Let's get right to it. Oh, can't show that over there. That's for the next video. Let me give you guys a hint. It's gonna be involving this. That's like the cheap part. I'm not even showing you the good part. So that's your hint for next video. If you like that kind of stuff, you want to watch that, next video it is. Remember, right now it's got like an airbag popping out of that, where that spot's at. We're gonna work on tomorrow. I'm grabbing a couple things we need. I'm not using these. I'm using these to like hold it on, and then after I'm gonna drill it out, and then I'm gonna use the bolt that it came with. So yeah, grab all that. Let's go over there and get started. I got like 2 hours. So hopefully I can get it done in 2 hours. If not, this is going to be a part 2 to this. So on our way. This used to be a chicken coop, by the way, before I tore it down. Alright, let's see, 2 here. And let's go put 2 on the other side. Probably the side we're gonna get started on first. So go ahead and put my tools down right here. And before I go get other things, let's make sure that these fit. Not bad.
Sometimes I get anxiety. It got me thinking everybody's trying to lie to me. I'm a condor, these niggas ain't that fly to me. I guess they need weak niggas for variety. She can't rely on me, but she could come and lie on me. She whine and grind on me, and then she whine and dine on me. She know any minute niggas should be signing me. With this economy, she just trying to be kind to me. Hit a couple corners, but trouble kept finding me. Nacho Picasso, damn right I'm trying to be the hottest MC out here since '93. They told me that the game was locked and couldn't find the key. I popped up in the race right behind the lead, smoking barrel, handsome steed, and a bag of weed. Throw your daiquiri at me, I'ma grab your weed. I always got a couple tricks up a tatted sleeve. niggas tryna steal my shine. Plus these bopping ass bitches tryna steal my time. They said don't stare at the sun, cause I might go blind. But I'ma stare at the sun till that light don't shine. All these old ass niggas tryna steal my shine. Plus these bopping ass bitches tryna steal my time. They said don't stare at the sun, cause I might go blind. But I'ma stare at the sun till that light don't shine. G will curse. Fuck the bitch so good, I had to steal a purse. Your emotions playing rugby, get your feelings hurt. And the teachers couldn't reach us like ceiling dirt. Flow so sick, might need a nurse. I know you met some bad apples, might be the worst. We in the car coughing.
So I really like the way it came out, minus the fact that we don't have a front bumper yet. So when we get the front bumper, we'll be able to pull it up a little bit and over, and we still need to carbon fiber wrap the hood, but you can kind of see the style or the look I'm going for. And I think this fitment right here came out so fire, like it's tucking now. It looks nice from the back. That's like the back view you're gonna get. And then you come and look at the rear. I think I'm gonna need to get a spacer. It's already got like an adapter, cut lug nuts and stuff, so I'm gonna have to get like a spacer for it so it can kind of match a little bit better, because I want that fire fitment. Like it needs a little bit more better, because as you can tell, like what, I'm not really sure on the millimeters, but I'm gonna have to guess like 15 off. It looks like 1.5 inches or so, so I'm gonna have to get like just some kind of spacer to make it look a little bit more better. But overall, I'm so stoked about how it came out. Not bad. I honestly didn't think I was gonna get this far today, and it doesn't look bad at all. I'm gonna show you a view from like the side right now. I gotta go over the fence. You can only get so far back, so. And then I sliced it too, so you can open up the door still, because this whole side is on the actual door, so you still be able to open up the door. But I like that more than the way it looked with just the tire sticking out like this side. And then you go back to this side, and you can imagine the tire just stuck out, and that fitment doesn't look that great. So you can see this side, and then we'll go back and look at the other side real quick. And just like night and day difference. Like it's actually fender to lip now right here. I mean, it's not true fender to lip, but it's fender to lip as far as like how like the newer SIs do it and other vehicles that I see. So yeah, and the reason why I didn't do this side is because I'm running out of time. And well, this happened on that one video where I posted on Instagram where I bottomed out. That went kind of viral, and that one right there pretty much yeah, that's what happened then. That went in, and so all I gotta do is, I'm not worried about that because that gets covered by the lip, by the fender lip, whatever, fender flares. So yeah, just gotta pull this out a little bit, do a little bit of body work there, and then it should cover it, because I think it goes to like right here. So yeah, that little bit would be showing, and that wouldn't look that good, and I won't be able to cover it up later. So just wait till that body work gets done. So yeah, I'm gonna go around real quick and show you one more time from the outside, and then pretty much gonna wrap it up for today. I'm gonna go to my birthday party here shortly. We might record a little bit of that, might not, but yeah. Okay, so check it out. I hope you can see it through the gate. I feel like it's a whole ass vibe now. Compared to what it was, compared to what it is now, it just goes with the look now. With what I was trying to do the first time, but I don't know if you guys remember, but I kind of fixed it really fast, and as soon as we fixed the first crash, then we're already back on the road again before you knew it. So I didn't really have time to sit there. And then also we're kind of using it as a daily at the time, because we didn't have another spare vehicle. So yeah, now it's not, so I'm able to do a little bit more that I wanted to do the first time. So that's kind of cool. That's always nice. At least, like, you got to look at the positive notes rather than just always look at the negative aspects of it. Because I mean, you could just sit there and look at the negative aspects of it, that, you know, it got crashed for the second time, and I got to go through the whole route of like taking it to the brake and light inspection and taking it to smog again and all that good stuff. But I think the car's worth it. I like the car, and it's able to keep the story alive for the car. Otherwise, it would be, you know, the end of it there. I could have gave it away to insurance and had them pick it up for the couple of extra, you know, money that they wanted to give me for it. But at the end of the day, it's like I said, that just ends the story right then and there. And I feel like it has a lot more to tell, a lot more life left out of it, and I'll have a lot more fun still with it, rather than taking all that stuff out, you know, the push start, everything just in general that's in that car. You know, because it's got the ghost lock, it's got the GPS on it, it's got everything on it that I can think of, and then to just take it all off and put it in another chassis. I mean, it wouldn't be more than just a couple of days worth of work, but it wouldn't be the same. It wouldn't be the same at all. And yeah, so at the end of the day, that's what I wanted to do, so that's what we did. And I hope you guys liked the video today. I'm gonna cut it short. I'm gonna end the video now because, like I said, I got a couple things to do today. I'm gonna go to my birthday party here shortly, so I'm about to get ready, about to change up, get freshened up, and besides that, yeah, so peace. I hope you guys had a great day today. You guys have a blessed day. Get your projects done, get out there, get to it, get something done at least. Something's better than nothing. Some kind of work is better than no work, and I'm gonna leave it on that note. Peace, guys.
I could be a knight in shining, I'm a nickel-plated nine, my shining while I'm sniff another line, I'm fine, your honor. Happens all the time now, find my ganja. I could be a knight in shining, I'm a nickel-plated nine.